Hello, everyone. Back to the podcast. Back to the book. I think Case is almost done with the book.
Yes, I have completed 200 pages. The other 65 pages is all about companies, how it got started, how it is going and all. I'm going to read that also, but today I have come with something you can mostly relate to what Vinod sir said in the podcast, that examples. I saw that in the comment section. You appreciate him, so that's why I took this time to ask him that what is the first stock he bought. Have you seen a 12-bagger stock or something else like the questions from the book?
What is 12 bagger?
So 12-bagger is something that gives 12 times returns, sir. Like goes 12 times, sir. Like Nike's 12-bagger stocks. And I want to ask you, which is the first stock you invested, sir? As you did the own research and invested on the stock.
Oh, God. That was a terrible stock. The Gujarat Gas was the one which I bought. Out of sheer stupidity. Because some news broke out in the morning that one of the refineries or something had caught fire and the share price went down by 10%. So buy it. Tomorrow, the fire will be extinguished and they'll say no damage is done and the share price will come out like an idiot. And I'll quickly sell and I'll make money on a quick trade. Next day came, fire went out, but the share price didn't go back. And I stayed there for a good 10 days. And I said, screw it. Threw in the towel. Said, okay, I made a mistake. Everyone makes a mistake. I sold it. The next 3 days later, it went back up.
Okay.
You know how stupid I felt?
Yes, sir. So this is how you were strongly saying
after that, I never traded.
You can't time the market.
No, after that, I never traded. I never thought of, like all the new investors think, HDFC Bank went down by 3%, I'll buy it quickly. Tomorrow, that recovered 3% will go back up, I'll sell it and I'll quickly make a profit. And then I'll repeat this over again. I'll just keep buying shares. Whenever they correct 2-3%, I'll buy it.
Understood, sir. But you can't...
No, then next day it will go back up. Or maybe 3 days, it will go back up. I'll sell it. I'll quickly make that 2-3%. And instead of just buying one share, which is maybe 1,000 rupees, I'll buy for 1 lakh. I'll buy for 10 lakh. And the margin
huge
is
margin. Correct, sir.
Doesn't work.
Understood, sir. This is
because you cannot predict. The market will always remain far more irrational than you can remain solvent. Meaning the market can remain where it goes and sit there far longer than you can wait.
Understood,
because
sir.
you might have borrowed that money. You might need that money back because you need to pay a credit card bill.
Correct, sir.
The money is
stuck in the market.
I can't wait for the market to change its mind.
Correct, sir. So I will sell whatever.
So finally, you'll throw in the towel, take the loss, take some fresh money, put it in, and pay the bill.
So
meanwhile, you were thinking, damn it, I'll just borrow, quickly flip it 2-3 times, then pay the bill with the profit, and I'll still have 1,000 rupees left in my hand, which I can go have biryani with my friends. Doesn't happen, man. That was a big mistake I made. After that, I never traded. That was the one time I tried. I was very green, didn't know what I was doing, and I did that.
Okay, sir. Have you seen any 12-bagger stocks, sir? What are the stocks you saw, sir?
That was during the pandemic, man.
Oh, no. Okay.
When the pandemic crash happened, I bought IndusInd like that.
Oh, nice, sir.
I bought IndusInd. Wait, where was IndusInd when I bought it?
Sir, as you previously said, you say some things like, what are the things you want to buy, you keep it in your watch list.
Yes.
You already made IndusInd in your watch list, sir?
Yes.
That's why you bought, huh?
Yes.
Oh, nice, sir.
The thing was, I had it in my watch list and it went during the pandemic from 1,500 it was. It dropped. I bought it around 340, 350 rupees I bought it.
Okay.
Now it is trading at 1,500 again.
Understood, sir.
But the problem is when you buy it like that, you find it very hard to buy it even if it is a good value. Because after it went up and it was trading below 1,000 at 800, which is still a very good buy, I found it very hard to buy. Because you bought it at such a cheap price.
Yes, sir.
It's like you go to your village tea stall and you drink one cup of coffee for 10 rupees. Then you come to the city. No matter where you go, that you will not get it for 10 rupees and you'll be like, damn it, so expensive, so expensive.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Because you're anchored into that cheap price. That's what anchoring does. You're stuck in that price.
You can't able to accept
reverse is also true. You have a flat, you have it for sale. You don't know what price to put. Your neighbor sells it for 1 crore. Now you think my flat is a little better than this. I must get 1.1 at least.
Okay.
But all the offers you're getting is for 80, 90. But no, he sold for 1 crore. It's better than his.
Better than that.
But you don't understand that sale is a one-off.
Correct, sir.
It's not like a stock market where it's all lots of buyers. Each real estate sale is a one-off sale. You have to look at it like that. Though, yes, you can look at a trend, but you cannot expect the same price or something better than that. You get what you get.
Correct, sir.
But you get anchored. So that problem happens. But when market crash happens, you should be ready to move in.
Understood, sir. That's what you did with Indus.
Yes, and it was very tempting to do the thing what everyone did, was because when you saw the market crash, I immediately felt like taking my credit card and taking more money loan and buying, but I didn't. Because luckily my brother was there and I had learnt lessons by then. And he said, don't. Whatever you have, be happy. Don't be greedy.
Yes, sir.
Because,
most of us.
Yes, the pandemic, we didn't know how fast it's going to bounce back. That bounce back happened fast. Now we know. But we've got to take time.
At that time, we don't know.
Taken time. We've got to stay there for a very long time.
Correct, sir.
So that's why, be careful.
Understood, sir. Sir, and my last question is, have you already in the previous video, yesterday we did a video, that video you stated that Charlie Munger said that we can see 3 to 4 market crashes in our whole life.
Yes.
So how many crashes you saw and what are all the opportunities you took in that crash?
The only opportunity which I saw and I bought was in the pandemic crash. Okay. But the crashes I saw before that was the .com. Okay. Then I saw the 2007 crash.
Okay.
Right? Then I saw the bubble. This pandemic crash. So I've seen so many. I've already seen 3.
Yes, sir.
And I'm thinking
one more for you.
I'll definitely see another. I think the way the market is, the world is, I'll at least see one massive crash, then at least 1 or 2 more small crashes I'll see. One earthquake kind of crash is coming.
Sir, you have already experienced, as you said, 3 crashes, I think so. So how come you prepared for the next crash, sir? Because as a new investor, they can also know.
See, the first .com crash, I didn't know anything.
Okay.
So forget that. 2007 crash, I knew things, but I didn't know how to invest.
Okay.
I knew the market is going down, that if you had money, you can just buy and you can make money.
Understood, sir.
Right? I didn't know how. Like the Satyam. When Satyam fiasco happened, the Satyam share just tanked. They went almost to zero. I knew that Satyam, someone will buy that company out because they have orders, they have people working. It's just that guy, Ramanujan Raju, the owner, is the one who did the fraud. The company itself is not affected. But some other, like Tech Mahindra, swallowed Satyam for a cheap price. If I had moved in and bought some shares, I would have got something in the trade-off, but I didn't know how to do it.
So there you missed some opportunities.
Yes, so I missed opportunities. I learned from. So when the pandemic crash came, I had some cash with me. But it just happened so that I didn't know it was going to happen. No one knew the pandemic lockdowns were going to happen.
Correct, sir.
But I just been keeping some money aside just in case. It happened and I made it.
Understood, sir. So there is always some things good, like keeping an emergency.
Yes, you should always keep a war chest.
Understood, sir. Okay, sir.
Once you've learned about investing. So keep a war chest always a little bit.
I
Start
also
creating it.
Definitely, sir. I also have some more set of questions. I will ask you in the next interview, next sessions.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching the podcast. I hope you will detail down below in the comments where you made mistakes, where you have seen success, how many crashes you have seen in your lifetime so far, and if you have managed to make any advantages in those crashes and make some profit in the crashes. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.